Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So in this video we only want to take a look here at the current price action. Yesterday I made a longer video about context as well, so feel free to check that out if you like to see more context here in this video, because we are literally just still following the same path and there is no change to the wave count, and in fact it's actually just following it at the moment. We can just focus here on the shorter time frame. So we have the view at the moment, that's the primary perspective or the primary scenario, that a wave 4 was printed here on the 15th of May. Since then we've been coming down in this fifth wave, and the idea is that this is still unfolding. The idea is that we already created a wave 1 with the low of the 17th of May. We created a wave 2, came down in, or we are coming down at the moment in a third wave. There should be a fourth and a fifth. In this third wave, my best view is that we completed an A wave. This here is now a B wave retracement, and we will come down in a C wave. We have a corrective structure here because of the ending diagonal. Alternatively, this third wave was already in here. From a Fibonacci extension point of view, that is a valid interpretation. And we would then move up now in a fourth wave. As I said, they are both possible. There is no way, in my opinion, to know the difference. It literally depends on the targets to the downside. We don't know that at this stage. But in the short term, it doesn't make a difference. Okay, so retracement levels are basically very, very similar. Therefore, we can focus on this, ABC. I'd rather project out a little bit more downside than give people too much hope that it will turn early. It can, of course, turn at any time, but we just need to be aware of the relevant resistance levels. So this is the primary path at this stage. Be aware that due to the current price structure and due to Bitcoin's failure to make a low so far below the 12th of May low, it is still possible to get a higher wave 4, that basically this wave 4 sits here. But that's at the moment not the focus, as long as we stay below resistance, which is 27,150. So let's zoom into this price action development here at the moment. So the forecast yesterday morning, I think already, that we get close to or get into this resistance area. Since then we have moved up quite nicely. Since this low that was made on Thursday, price has moved up 2.7%, not massive, but the forecast was it's going to be only corrective, so slowly, right? In this movement, yesterday I already showed you a WXY structure that could go deeper into the red zone. We now have a little bit more detail because I think we can now count WXY, yes, but the Y wave still in the making. And in the Y wave, we can measure an A wave, a B wave, and now possibly the C wave unfolding. I did say yesterday to you, I need a break below the X wave low to indicate or to get a confirmation that this move up is over. That never happened, so the focus needs to be on higher, okay? It needs a break below that 26,160 level to really confirm here the B wave top is in. In this Y wave, we're moving in an ABC structure, and the C wave, as I said, might be in the making. And all the levels to watch here are 26,680, 26,880, and 27,150. Sustained break above 27,150 may need or may trigger a change of perspective. Yeah, because it is then more bullish than what a B wave should ideally do. However, always bear in mind that B waves, they can produce fake breakouts. Yeah, this is literally just the ideal retracement area for a B wave, but B waves can always do funny things, which is why it's so difficult to trade a B wave. Now, what are the targets? I mean, this is the retracement area. Yeah, we can look if we can find some confluence with the Fibonacci extensions, because you can measure targets here in various ways. So one target is here the 100% extension at 26,790, and the other one is the 1.618 extension of the wave W at 27,170. So good overlap with the existing retracement area here. And then, so these are all levels of interest. But it depends on if you're really trying to trade here the smallest time frame. Many people aren't. And then we've got, if we measure the targets for the C wave, it's just another way of measuring target. We've got the 1-to-1 ratio at 26,790 and the 1.618 extension at 27,072. So these are certainly levels to watch. Just watch them for a reaction, together with the retracement levels. And if we get a reaction to the downside, I think now that we have the B wave possibly in place, a very early signal would be a break below the B wave low, 26,340, and a better signal that the wave B here is over would be a break below that X wave low, and then we should head down to round about 25.3k next. Bear in mind, today we have the inflation data, so the market will likely be slow until we get that inflation data, and maybe then we see the flush, or depending on what kind of data it is, maybe we even see a rally, but the alternative count for the rally scenario as well. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership, and also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. There's additional content there every day about trading, TA, Elliott Wave, and so on. So feel free to check that out. You can find the links in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.